Today, I am giving you a tour of 6837 East Osborn Road, Unit A in Scottsdale, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Welcome to this spacious 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome in the heart of Old Town Scottsdale. Conveniently located just minutes from shopping, dining, entertainment, and Scottsdale Healthcare, this home puts everything you need within easy reach. Inside, the functional 2-story floor plan features tile flooring throughout the main living areas and comfortable carpet in all 3 upstairs bedrooms. The spacious living and dining areas are perfect for everyday living or entertaining, while the half-bathroom on the main level adds extra convenience for guests. Outside, enjoy a private north-facing brick patio and views of the community's expansive greenbelt. Residents also have access to a community pool, recreation room, playground, and beautifully maintained common areas. With an unbeatable Scottsdale location and excellent community amenities, this townhome offers comfort, convenience, and low-maintenance living. So if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Here we have the primary suite that includes a large walk-in closet and a private bathroom with a walk-in shower. Thanks for watching the tour.